Axie endlessness value Jabber to $5.221 a coin. The present Jibber cost range 553281. The Jabber day close 5.1049. The change was plus 0.972 Jabber. Reverse rate Jabber to AXS. Axie Jibber gauge for January 2025. Jibber cost at $7.7286. Excessive cost 7.7286, while low cost Jibber. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 6.9967. Axie boundlessness cost gauge toward the month's end Jabber change for January 16.0%. Axie boundlessness cost expectation for Jabber 2025. Initially cost at Jabber dollars. Jabber cost 6.8101 while low cost 5.9191. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. Axie limitlessness cost Jibber toward the month's end 6.3646 change for February 2.0%. Jabber boundlessness conjecture for walk 2025. Before all else cost at Jabber dollars. Excessive cost Jibber, while low cost 6.1559. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. Axie limitlessness cost Jabber toward the month's end 6.6192. Change for spring 4.0%. Axie Jibber cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else cost at 6.6192 Jibber. Exorbitant cost Jibber, while low cost 6.3946. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. Axie boundlessness cost estimate toward the month's end Jabber, change for April 3.9%. Axie endlessness estimate for May Jabber. First and foremost cost at 6.8759 Jibber. Jibber cost 7.6515 while low cost 6.6503. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. Axie vastness cost estimate toward the Jibber end 7.1509, change for May 4.0%. Axie limitlessness cost expectation for Jabber 2025. At the outset cost at Jabber dollars. Jibber cost 8.6761, while low cost 7.159. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. Axie limitlessness cost estimate toward the Jibber end 8.185, change for June 13.4%. Axie Jabber estimate for July 2025. First and Jabber cost at $8.185. Jabber cost 10.643, while low cost 8.185. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. Axie limitlessness cost gauge toward the month's end 9.4059, change for July Jabber. Axie endlessness cost expectation for August Jabber. To start with cost at Jibber dollars. Jibber cost 10.4668, while low cost 9.974. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 96881. Axie limitlessness cost estimate toward the month's end 97821, change for Jibber 4.0%. Axie limitlessness estimate for Jibber 2025 at the Jabber cost at $9.7821. Excessive cost 12.1415 while low cost Jibber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. Axie limitlessness cost estimate toward the Jabber end 11.3472. Change for September 16.0%. Axie limitlessness cost expectation for Jibber 2025. At the outset cost at 11.3472 Jibber. Jibber cost 13.9838 while low cost 11.3472. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 12.4368. Axie boundlessness cost gauge toward the month's end 13.690. Change for Jabber 15.2%. Axie Jabber gauge for November 2025. Jabber cost at $13.690. Jabber cost 16.2212, while low cost 13.0690. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 14.3798. Axie boundlessness cost gauge toward the Jibber end 15.600, change for November 16.0%. Axie boundlessness cost expectation for December Jibber, initially cost at 15.160 under Jabber. Excessive cost 16.2979, while low cost Jabber. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 15.2138. Axie boundlessness cost Jibber toward the month's end 15.2317, change for December 0.5%. Axie boundlessness gauge for January Jibber, before all else cost at Jibber dollars. Excessive cost Jibber, while low cost 14.7321. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. Axie limitlessness cost conjecture toward the month's end 15.8410, change for January Jabber. Axie Jibber cost expectation for February 2026, before all else cost at Jabber dollars. Excessive cost 17.0952, while low cost Jabber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. Axie limitlessness cost conjecture toward the Jabber end 15.9768, change for February 0.9%. Axie boundlessness Jabber for Walk 2026. Before all else cost at 15.9768 Jabber. Jibber cost 15.9768, while low cost 12.9011. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. Axie boundlessness cost estimate toward the Jabber end 13.8722, change for spring minus 13.2%. Jabber endlessness cost expectation for April 2026. To start with cost at 13.8722 Jabber, Jibber cost 13.8722, while low cost 11.1912. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 12.7423. Axie limitlessness cost estimate toward the month's end Jabber change for April by 13.3%. Axie limitlessness Jabber for May 2026. In the first place cost at 12.0335 Jibber, exorbitant cost 12.1368, while low cost Jabber. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. Jibber boundlessness cost estimate toward the month's end 11.3428, change for May 5.7%. Axie endlessness cost Jabber for June 2026. In the first place cost at 11.3428 Jibber. Jibber cost 11.3428, while low cost 9.2565. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. Jibber limitlessness cost figure toward the month's end 9.9532, change for June 12.3%. Axie Jabber estimate for July 2026. In the first place cost at Jibber dollars. Jabber cost 99532, while low cost 8.0877. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. Axie boundlessness cost Jibber toward the month's end 8.6965, change for July 12.6%. Axie endlessness cost expectation for August Jabber. In the first place cost at 8.6965 Jabber, exorbitant cost Jibber, while low cost 8.6965. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 9.5688. Axie limitlessness cost figure toward the month's end 10.0879, change for Jibber 16.0%. Axie Jibber figure for September 2026. At the outset cost at 10.0879 Jibber, excessive cost 10.0879, while low cost Jibber. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 9.2395. Axie limitlessness cost figure toward the month's end 8.6954, change for September Jabber. USD to AXS expectation for Jabber 2024. At the Jabber cost at 0.182 coins. Jabber cost 0.231, while low 0.162. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to AXS estimate toward the month's end Jibber change for October 6.0%. Dollar to Axie Jibber estimate for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.171 Jibber. Jibber cost 0.227, while low 0.139. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to AXS estimate toward the Jibber end